What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we are doing an install video on another KEMIMOTO products. Big shout out to KEMIMOTO, man, for helping out the channel. But today, it's not on the 2019 Road Glide Special or the 2020 Street Glide Special. It is on Mello's 2023 Polaris Slingshot. So look at that, man. She ended up getting this for her birthday. Haven't introduced it to the channel just yet, but this is our first install product to go onto the Slingshots. Hopefully there's a lot more coming as well, man. So if you're into Slingshot, make sure you stay tuned, man, because we're going to be doing some other stuff with the Slingshot as well. But
explain why we're not outside and we're inside.
Yeah, so today is it's Thanksgiving Day. It is out here raining. If you look at the Road Glide, you can see all the water spots on there. So our plan was to do this install today, but it wasn't supposed to be raining, but it is today. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody that watches this. It'll be after Thanksgiving, of course, but happy Thanksgiving to you. We're gonna go ahead and get started, man. We're gonna unbox this thing. I've already kind of opened it a little bit, but we're gonna unbox it and show you exactly what it is, and then we'll get to it. We'll see you in a bit. All right, kinfolk. So KEMIMOTO, man, sent this out to us to put this on the Slingshot, and what it is going to be some side storage bags for the Slingshot, Polaris Slingshot. So this is how it comes boxed in. Nice package in here. It's going to give you some instructions as well. So we're going to pop this open. If y'all have ever looked into Slingshots, man, or know a little bit about Slingshots, you know the storage is not that great in them, right? So to be able to add storage to these Slingshots is cool. KEMIMOTO has a bunch of different options to be able to add to the Slingshot. We're gonna get to this one. This is a side storage bag, so let's check it out real quick. It's gonna come in a pair, of course, right? Because you got one on each side. It's got the Velcro on the back. It's gonna be a really easy install. All right, so these are cool, man. I mean, you got the KEMIMOTO logo here. You've also got the KEMIMOTO logo at the top, right? It's got a sticker for left. The right sticker popped off, so it's in the box over there, but this one's gonna be your right and this will be the left. So these are cool because it's all waterproof. So you see the zipper, that's gonna be a waterproof zipper, man. So nothing's gonna get inside of there once you put your belongings in there.
Hey, I got an idea.
What you got?
Let's put those instructions in a bag and put it on your bike and see if after a while the paper is wet inside.
That's a good idea. Or just to make this quicker, we'll throw this in here, in there, zipped up. Let me get a bottle of water. Be right back. All right, so just so you know there's no trickery, we're gonna open this back up. Paper's in there. The zippers, man, got a nice handle on it. Big area to grab, so you're not having to fool with just the little zipper part, so that's cool. Got our water. I'm gonna pour it right on the zipper, man. Look how that just repels off of there. That's nice, look at that. Huh? Really cool. So if it was gonna get wet, it should be wet, right? You would think water would be in there. Open it up. Dry as a whistle. Look at that thing. Can you see it? Look at that.
Yeah, it's dry.
Nice. That is dope. And another quality or design of these bags is scratch resistant, right? So they're supposed to be scratch resistant as well. They don't get hung. You know what I mean? Like if you something ends up rubbing against them, it's not gonna fray any kind of fabric. The fabric is not like a cotton or a cloth. It's not gonna fray it. It's not gonna snag it. Really cool, man. You got a zipper at the top as well. Nice deep pocket in there. And that's gonna come all the way back to here. You got the side zipper. It's gonna have in there, right? And then this is gonna be your strap. That's gonna go around the bar, the tubing of the Slingshot to mount there. And then it's also gonna mount on the back with some Velcro. Let's go ahead and get them over there. That way we can go ahead and show you kind of the placement of it. And then I'll show you what other storage as far as what the Slingshot comes with stock. You can see the addition, what great addition this is gonna be for your storage solutions for the Slingshot. So let's get into it. All right, kinfolk, now we've got the bags over here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what storage comes with, right? So basically you've got center console storage in here, right? Just a little dry box there. You're also gonna have your glove box here. This is gonna have storage in there, which is pretty good. That one's a pretty good storage compartment. You'll have storage behind each seat. So there's storage in there. Oh, she named it Stitch. So We just got to sew that on there, so it'll be that's her stitch though. Either way, storage in there as well, right? I think you can fit a helmet. Yeah, we fit the helmet in there.
We did it, but it was not closed all the way.
All the way, okay. So it's a pretty good storage compartment too, but again, it's if you're driving, you're not able to get to this storage back here. So the only access you have is just a glove box and your storage in the center console there. So and then you've got another one behind the passenger seat as well. So this is going to be good because this will give you access to anything you need right here, right next to you, man. Your cell phone, you can put your sunglasses, or she's got night glasses as well, and then her sunglasses, and then any, you know, billfold, wallet, whatever you want to store in there, even tools. Like you can even tote some tools in here, and then that way if you need something on the go, you've got it there as well. Left side and right side, right? Left side's going to be your driver's side. Right side will be the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and clean the back in here because that's where your Velcro is going to stick. So we're going to clean this off. This here is going to Velcro around your bar, your frame, and then that's going to be it, man. It's going to be a simple install. So let me go ahead and get some cleaner. Well, I'll clean this side, install it, show you how that's done, and then we'll go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely done. So be back in a second. We got our area cleaned off. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unVelcro this. You're going to tuck this off inside the framing, little plastic area, right? So you got all this in there. We're going to run this Velcro up underneath where the frame bolts. There's a mounting bracket here, and then that's going to bolt to there. So we're going to go underneath that, Velcro that back down. I'm just going to kind of figure out where it's going to be at. And then you're just going to take off your paper in the back. We're going to stick her down. Just like that. Now you're able to get off in there. We're up. One right there. Zipper back, and you still have access to your seat lever here, where you can still run the seat up and back, or backing up, back and forward. And then that's it, man. That's all she does. So let me do the other side, and then we'll show you a closer look of it all being done. Be back in a minute. All right, kinfolk, that's the install, man. So look, check them out. So that's what it's gonna look like completely installed right there. I mean, I think it's a perfect fit, man. The quality, the water resistance is gonna be amazing. We're not gonna have to worry about it. Anything getting wet that's inside of there. 2023 Slingshot SL is what we have, or is what Mello has. KEMIMOTO's got some great options, man. So make sure you go check them out. The link for these products here will be down below if you want to check it out. And then they've also got other storage options as well, man. So make sure you go give them a follow. Let them know Knuckles sent you. So that's it, man.
Putting some stuff in there and see what we can fit.
Good idea.
Just some random stuff.
Let's put some stuff in there and we'll show you what it looks like. Hang on a second. All right, so we got some things that we're gonna drop off in here, man, to show you what it looks like when you got extra stuff in there. So we're gonna put a beanie in there. We're gonna go in the big pocket. A beanie, an extra shirt in case something happens, you get wet. Cleaning cloths. So we got cleaning cloths we can keep in here. So clear glasses, so when Mello's riding in the nighttime, she can go ahead and put those on. Put that, I mean, you got tons of room in there still. So we're gonna close that. And then we're gonna go to the front pocket. Phone, that can go in there, right? You can put keys in the phone in the front pocket if you wanted to as well. We'll even put some paper towels in there in case you need to wipe anything up. I mean, you still got the handle room, and you're still able to get to all the zippers, man. So really, really cool. It's got a bunch of room in that thing. Let me take this stuff out, and then we also got something else that we can, a couple other things we can put in there. So let's show you that. All right, and still had tons of room with that stuff in there. And then, so say you're going to a show, right? And you need some speed wax, some spray cleaner. So you can put this in there. Go back in with your microfibers. Even with the paper towels. Oh, plenty of room. Plenty of room. So sick. So let's open this back up. And then for y'all those that know me and know that I love fishing, I got my little retractable fishing pole. And you better believe it, your boy gonna take a little fishing rod. Check this out. Of course, we had to fold the handle over, right? Go in nose first. Go Goes right in there, right in there. Drops straight down in there. Love that, cause you know I'm gonna be doing some fishing when we out on the road on this thing. Well, I'll be on the road glide, but she'll be on here. She'll be carrying my stuff for me. So there you go, man. Look, pretty dadgum cool. Again, man, KEMIMOTO fishing bow. KEMIMOTO's got some great products, man. I'm running quite a bit of things of KEMIMOTO on the Road Glide as well. Check them out, man. Let them know Knuckles sent you. And if you have a slingshot, or you know somebody that has a slingshot, or you just need some cool storage bags, you can go ahead and click the link down below and it'll take you straight to it. So that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We're gonna be doing more stuff on the slingshot, so if you're into that, stay tuned. And if you're not, appreciate you watching anyway. So until next time, till next install, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya.